It's the Clark the Shark Show, baby. That's the VR for Saturday, September 27, where I'm chilling on a couch, but I'm seeing no ghosts at the Sharky Network, baby. Oh, there's one. There's going to be some from this angle, baby. We're looking towards the ocean. Oh, it must have been a nice day today, you guys. Saturday. Yeah, I see you, bro. I see you. I see you. Yep. Oh, well, yeah, dude. There's coffee, bro. Of course. Right there, dude, in the cut. Right there, dude. Check. Yeah, dude. Check that coffee, bro. He's up and happy. Flying around like a Hancock, like Tony